All right, everyone. Good morning. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. So it is very early in the morning. I think it's almost like five. Yep, it's 5 o'clock in the morning, 5 a.m. in the morning. All right, so 5 a.m. in the morning, New York Eastern time. I want to make this video and I want to talk about some things. One, we're going to talk about WISA Technologies, WISA. We're going to talk about GNS and show you some other examples. First of all, for this stock, it ended after hours yesterday at 12 cents, but it is up right now. Actually, as I'm doing the video, it actually is at 18 cents. So it's at 18 cents going up and down around there. So it's gotten higher right now in pre-market hours. What's the whole hype? Well, everyone's talking about online, and they've been they're all talking about Goldman Sachs buying 9 million shares of WISA Technologies. Let me show you something though that I'm not against it, because I don't hold shares in the stock, by the way. All right, before I made this video, I got in and out of WISA Technologies. As I'm doing the video right now, I hold 0 shares in WISA Technologies, but I did get in and out of it before I made this video early pre-market hours today. But look at this this is why I got out, to be honest, real quick. I did a quick in and out instead of holding, and I could be wrong, because momentum can wipe out all if logical things can be wiped out with momentum, right? If momentum is high enough, strong enough, and if retail pours into this, they're going to push it higher. It doesn't matter what anyone says. So here it says 14 hours ago, January 19, all right, Form 3 filed Goldman Sachs and talks about 9 million shares, right? But when you go further down in this form, it says this, that I just don't, let me show you real quick. It says that on January 12, 2022, it's talking about something back last year, early last year, 2022. So it says on January 12, 2022, the reporting persons, Goldman Sachs, experienced an increase in their beneficial ownership of WISA Technologies to above 10% of the outstanding common stock. And then on January 13, 2022, so the next day, last year, 2022, right? So on January 13, the reporting persons, again, Goldman Sachs, experienced a decrease in their beneficial ownership that reduced their beneficial ownership to below 10%. That's it. I mean, that's, Now, when I look at it a little deeper and going back to 1 month ago, so if you go back 1 month ago and look at the SEC filings for WISA Technologies, you're going to see this 6 Form 4s, right? You're gonna see 6 of them. All 6 of this, if you click on them, it's sell, insider selling. That was a month ago. Insider selling. I don't know if insiders had something. I mean, if they knew something with Goldman Sachs, why the heck were they selling about a month ago? Like I'm saying, I'm not being bearish, but I don't want to live in a fairy tale world and just blindly trade something. And nor am I saying that this won't go up. I think it's going to go higher. I think WISA Technology is going to go higher today. All right. I'm not saying it's not going to. I think it will, but it'll be pure momentum. Unless I'm missing something. If I'm missing something, please correct me. I have no problem being corrected. All right. I'm not Mr. Perfect. Here it says, just one of the forms that I click, sell 8,355 shares, and all the other ones are the same, right? So that's that. Yesterday for GNS, for example, I mean, I really felt comfortable with GNS. I was 100% sure it was going to go up because the news and what the CEO had announced on Twitter made a lot of sense to me. WISA Technologies, it makes sense to me for the day trade, fine. I don't know if I want to hold it more than that. So that's why I got out of it. But I may get back in later. I don't know. We'll see. Probably not. But so here it says NRSN Neurosense Therapeutics. Just show you some examples, some other things we do here on my Discord, because we've been talking about all these things earlier before they even exploded. For example, WISA, we've been talking about it since yesterday and actually last week. It's been talked about here on my Discord. But one example here is Neurosense. Yesterday at 227, I alerted everyone, and then it went to 260, 266, 270. Something else way back in December, this past December, I had alerted on a Sunday, and I told them, guys, watch out on Monday for MDGL. Now I had alerted them on a Sunday, and it was $67. On a Monday, it opened pre-market hours, went to 67, then it went to 77, back down to 65, and then it exploded to $300. And here's me 9 months ago talking about Genius Group, GNS stock, saying it's going to be the next meme stock. And then on my Discord, I had told them at 56 cents I would buy. I sold it at 59. Then again, I told them that I am in right here at 71 cents yesterday. That was yesterday, that I'm getting in at 71 cents of GNS. Sold it at 190, you know, and this is actually not $2, it's over $3 now. But I sold it at 190, and then it went to $3. Oh, well, that's okay. From 71 cents to go to 190, that's not bad at all. It's perfectly fine. Now, today, people are focused on GNS, which is going up big time, and WISA Technologies. And I think WISA Technologies will continue to go up. I'm just a little troubled with the insider selling a month ago and this form that everyone's talking about, Goldman Sachs, which fine, I don't know. Unless there's a buyout, all right? Unless there's some kind of buyout coming for WISA Technologies that no one knows about. But if there was, why the heck was that? Why a month ago insiders were selling? I don't get it. It's a little confusing. So that's why I day traded and I got out. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about WISA Technologies. Is this going to go higher? Currently is at, like I said, at 18 cents as I was doing the video. Thank you very much. I hope you have a good trading day today, and take care, everyone.